So today you find me in Illinois, the great state of Illinois, in a town called Schaumburg at the Hyatt Regency. And it's early while people get ready for a marquee DJ show. I'm here contributing with some master classes today. You still have time to get a part of that. Just come find the room that I'm in with the show, and you can just deal with me directly if you want to. It shouldn't be too tough. But what I really wanted to talk about today was answering the question that I get on a regular basis. Why would you go to these things, right? I go to a lot of conferences, a lot. And every time I go, they're like, well, you've been to these things. I mean, why do you keep going? What's the big deal? Why do you go to workshops? I do workshops as well. I even have a workshop you can take from me. But I've taken workshops and I've done conferences, and people, I guess what you don't really get about it is that you're not going to get it unless you do it. It is always a profound experience when people get involved with the DJ conferences, because it moves you, it changes you, and as many times as I've done it, every time I do, something new happens. Another new thing shows up for me and for the other people in the conference. It's a very valuable thing. If nothing else, just to get yourself reinvigorated around the idea that you really could be doing this. I mean, you really should be doing this, right? Like I said, this room right now is going to be getting ready for the show. So it's quiet now, but it's going to be bustling with lots of new ideas, lots of new gear, lots of really smart people that can help to invigorate you and to give you new ideas. Now, when it comes to workshops, there's going to be a bunch of master classes today. I've got 3 of them, and there's several others as well. Each one of them, they are very valuable in their own right. I would say, if you're going to be here today, do one. Just do one. Let that thing become the reason you're a part of it, right? Let it kind of wash over you. Because that one subject, if you can go into it with an open mind and be coachable, then you can walk away with something so valuable it can change your life, much less your business, for the next year or 6 months. There are several conferences every year. I go to at least 2, if not 3. One in Las Vegas, one here in Illinois, out in Atlantic City, and also Milwaukee, which I never miss. So you should do one of them, and I hope you're here. And if you are, you come and look for me today. Come stick your nose in my class. I'll let you wave. If you want to be a part of one of them, there's going to be one at 11 o'clock and one at 1:30 and another one at 3:30. So if you want to be a part of those things, you can. I can send you the link for tickets, or you just stop by and see me. I'm okay if you don't take advantage of mine, but I don't know if I'm okay if you don't take advantage of something while you're here. Don't just stand in the background. Don't just come in and look around at stuff and not engage. Because each time you engage with either a speaker, a class, a workshop, someone who's selling gear, or just another person at the conference you've not met, each time you do that, there is something profound that can happen to you and to your business and heck, your life. So I hope you come today. Again, I'm at the Hyatt Regency in Schaumburg, and it's early, but it's going to get started really soon. This will be bustling with all kinds of people, and my little class will be in this room right here. So you come see me, and I'd like to hang out, right? If nothing else, maybe we'll move one of our classes out to this great courtyard. Look at that. Isn't that nice? All right. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next week on Creative License.